Hello all, welcome back. Welcome to new video. So this is a particular car actually. I got in different sizes in my collection. So I thought I will just share. So basically guys, this is a Lamborghini Aventador. Very famous and iconic model. Everybody knows it. You know, this particular model or this particular diecast car is a licensed one from Majorette. And Majorette has a very big collection of such kind of Lamborghinis. But unfortunately India में ज़्यादा मिलते नहीं हैं Majorette की cars post COVID era. So बहुत मुश्किल से मुझे मिले हैं. And whenever I get Majorettes, I grab it because the quality I feel to the personal view is a bit better than Hot Wheels. The detailing and all. You can see how they have managed to get all the things like this engine bay, rear engine bay. It's perfect. Okay, inside detailing is there. यहाँ पे windows है, but inside detailing is proper. Everything is there. The dashboard layout is also proper. Engine compartment is proper. 5-spoke alloys have been detailed proper. The rear lights have been detailed properly. If you see in red. Original Lamborghini's Aventador. यहाँ पे आपको Lamborghini का symbol दिख रहा है. Okay. Back side there is here it is written small Lamborghini. If you see over here, very small it is, but it is there. We'll keep this here. Now I'll bring a slightly bigger version of the same Lamborghini Aventador, and this is this one. Okay. This one comes from Kinsmart. Now इस कंपनी की भी गाड़ियाँ अभी कम मिल रही हैं because actually this was also made in China. Now अभी बहुत मुश्किल से मिलती है. This is a one of a kind I have got and the color is also unique as you see over here. Okay, there is Aventador. दोनों में भी alloy wheels same है, same alloy wheels, black colored alloy wheels. Okay, the bumper front bumpers are also same, bumper ascents are also same. Everything you can see is same. Only thing is इस गाड़ी में कुछ open नहीं हो रहा है. There is nothing opening. Normally Majorettes में moving parts होते हैं, Hot Wheels में नहीं होते. But in this car I have not got moving parts. So, but in this car there are moving parts. So obviously this is a bigger car और Kinsmart में तो होता ही है. So these are the moving parts over here as you see. So थोड़ा weird kind of an opening है, not exactly the original Aventador opening of the doors, but yes, somewhat matching. Anyways, उसमें ऐसा vertical open होता है Aventador में, exactly vertical they open. But anyways, this one is also good. Looks good. Lamborghini का symbol है यहाँ पे, like just like the same. They have made it properly. Here they have mentioned properly as LP704. If you can see over here, okay, it's clearly written here. Dashboard layout is proper and detailed. Okay, engine bay, rear engine bay layout same as this one, proper and detailed. आप देख सकते हो how they do it. These guys replicate it so properly. Hats off to these guys. Okay, and then इसका जो पीछे का rear portion है that has also been detailed properly. The rear lights, okay, the rear ascents on the engine bay. यहाँ पे radiator compartment है यहाँ पे Aventador में, that is also been detailed properly. Both the sides in black. Okay, यहाँ पे इस गाड़ी में वो radiator compartment has been given in yellow, but actually it is not yellow in the original car. Obviously this car is very small, तो छोटी गाड़ी में इतना detail देना is a bit difficult. So they have kept it yellow, but actually it is not yellow in the original car. It is black. So it is black here and it has been replicated properly in the 1:36 scale model. So this is the 1:36 scale. And यहाँ पे पीछे आप देख सकते हो Lamborghini का यहाँ पे भी symbol है पीछे, जैसा Majorette में था, similar, very small but visible, and then the Aventador branding on the number plate. So all in all, very nice design and very good detailed one again from Kinsmart. It's a pity that we don't get Majorette and Kinsmart that much now. But anyways, जब भी आता है I grab it in the sale so that I can bring it to you, such collection, and again it adds up to my whole collection of course. So this is the Majorette Aventador, this is the Kinsmart Lamborghini's Aventador. Now I'll bring the third one. This is from Jam and Honey, and this is a bigger and bigger Aventador than both of these. Okay, this is a really big model. If you see, abhi it is not setting up or getting in the camera also. I'll have to adjust the camera somewhat. You can see how big it is. Okay, this is actually a 1:18 scale, or in 1:16 scale. I don't remember properly. This is a very big model. I think to show it to you, I'll have to keep these two aside like this. Okay, then only I'll be able to show it to you, guys. So yeah, I'll just bring it now here. Now you can see, guys, this how it looks. So big it is. The Majorette's Lamborghini is looking at a small kid in front of this, as you can see. Very small miniature it is looking in front of the bigger Lamborghini. But very nice. I mean, glad to have this collection, this kind of an extent of collection in my trophy room. So like it's very good. So if you see, guys, this one again, इसमें भी आगे का जो portion है that has been replicated properly Aventador का. Only difference in this is a plastic, ABS plastic, and these two are metal. Okay, these two are metal over here. Okay, these are not plastic, these are metal, but this is a plastic one. Obviously there are reasons for it. This is a very big model. Okay, and the secondly, being a big model, this is an RC model. Okay, this is a remote control model. This one is a free wheel. This one, if you see, is a free wheel. This is a pullback. This works a pullback, as you see, and this one is a remote controlled model. The detail is very fine. The engine bay, as you saw here, done very good. All the three, as you see, the engine bay has been given very good. Then again, यहाँ पे only thing you will see is that there is no Aventador or Lamborghini branding on this. So there is no symbol of Lamborghini over here like the other two. Okay, but overall the detailing is proper. You see the radiator, the radiator is over here, black one, perfectly done. Even the black color alloys have been perfectly done in this car. Okay, the inside dashboard layout is proper. I would have been more glad if this doors would have opened by the remote control, but sadly these doors are not opening. But anyways, they have given the dashboard layout properly inside, so that is not a problem actually. So you can see everything is there inside. Okay, the seats, the racing seats and all done and dusted perfectly. So you see, this is a steering one. आगे के wheels steer हो रहे हैं. You can see like this. Okay, these are going like crazy for running actually. Okay, and now guys, when you see over here, you will come to know जो front का जो इसका portion है matches both of these, but only thing as I told you, this does not have the Lamborghini symbol, neither on the front nor on the rear. Nowhere it is. Okay, but else everything matches. And now the color, this one a bit of a matte. Okay, this is perfectly matte, complete matte, and this one is a gloss finish. Okay, let me start the engine. I mean, let me start the power button. Okay, this I have started, and now let's see how it works. See how it works. Superb. See the lights, guys. Superb lights. See the lights. See the lights, guys. Looks superb. And then there is another surprise. There's a back lights. Now the rear lights. What I was trying to show you. See, guys, how good it looks on the rear lights. Okay. Normally RCs, I have this one only in RCs. Besides rear lights, and it looks good. So I'll have to just move it like this. Okay, because on the platform there is no space. Anyways, but really good it is. It's raring to go. So guys, that's it from my side. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot. We'll be back with more and more videos. Have a nice day. Bye bye.